The Subaru Crosstrek uses a sophisticated two-step safety system to secure the hood. This dual-latch design provides enhanced security and prevents accidental hood openings while driving. The primary release lever is located inside the vehicle, typically on the left side near the driver's left knee. This lever is clearly marked with a hood icon for easy identification. The secondary safety latch is positioned under the hood's center and requires manual manipulation. This technical diagram shows the hood components and latch mechanism location. Recent Crosstrek models from 2024 and 2025 feature important improvements, including enhanced corrosion resistance and more ergonomic release handles, while maintaining the proven two-step safety process. This dual latch design provides superior safety compared to single latch systems. The two-step process ensures the hood remains securely closed during normal driving, while still allowing easy access for maintenance when needed. Step 1. Locate and pull the hood release lever inside your vehicle. This lever is typically positioned on the left side near the driver's knee and is marked with a hood icon. Step 2. Exit your vehicle and move to the front of the car. The hood should now be slightly ajar, but it's still secured by the secondary safety latch. Step 3. Locate the secondary safety latch under the center of the hood. This latch prevents the hood from opening accidentally and requires manual manipulation to release. Step 4. Release the safety latch while lifting the hood slightly. The method varies by model year. For 2018 to 2023 models, push the latch to the left while lifting. Newer 2024 and later models feature an enhanced, more intuitive latch design. Step 5. Once the hood is open, secure it by inserting the hood support rod into the designated slot. This rod prevents the hood from falling and ensures safe access to the engine compartment. Important maintenance tips. If you encounter a frozen latch during winter conditions, Subaru recommends using specific lubricants designed for cold weather. Regular lubrication of the latch mechanism every 30,000 miles ensures smooth operation and prevents cable stretching over time.